How to recover WeChat account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Atticus from Create, Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your WeChat account password. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your WeChat. After you've opened up your WeChat, you'll have to log in. Now to log in, you can either type in your password or you can just log in via OTP code. Now tap on login via OPT code and just tap on get OTP. Now after you wait for some time, you should get an OPT. So go through the verification process. So there you can see you have just gotten your OPT code. Just type in the code. After you type in the code, hit on login. So after you do that, you should just get logged into your WeChat account. Now, if you don't get your verification code, you can just create a new account with the very same number and you can log in. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you recover your WhatsApp account. So that is how you recover your WeChat account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.